Yo, your weekend gardener back. We got another taste test. Oh, I couldn't wait for this one right here.
You need try it.
We saw something like this back in 2022. It was a little longer. This is short, stubby, more like a basketball. The other one like a football. But I don't know if the camera can pick up the color. But this is a pineapple, and you know what I think it is?
Mm.
I think it's a pink pineapple.
Oh, yeah.
I was thinking it was a red pineapple, but I could be wrong. But I think it's a pink pineapple. And let me
Okay.
do my thing. Man,
Amazing.
pineapples in America, in my opinion, is trash compared to buying pineapples overseas. Just the smell. I mean, I guess you can smell American pineapple, but the thing with the American pine, I don't know why I keep calling it American pineapples. I'm assuming they're American pineapples grown in Hawaii. I don't know what they do to the pineapples in America, but it's some trash. The outside is pink, the inside is yellow.
Yellow.
Very interesting. I've never seen that color. Now, we had the red pineapple, and inside the red pineapple, it was kind of reddish. I jump for joy when I try pineapples outside the country. I do.
Okay, baby.
Now, have you had this before?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay,
For sure.
for sure, for sure.
Mm.
You do,
Mm.
you doing a big girl dance.
I try to be so silly.
I know. What's your number?
10. 10. Definitely. 10.
What do you like about it?
Sweetness, the texture is very smooth. Yes.
Okay, this is not the best pineapple outside the country that I've ever had.
Mm-hmm.
That red one that we had was awesome.
Yeah.
This one is very good though. Very good. Soon as it hits your tongue, you can taste the sweetness. There's no tart, there's no sour. It's just pure sweetness. It's good.
Yeah. Yes,
I'm,
it
I'm gonna
is.
give this one a 9.
Oh, I get 10.
A 10. I'm gonna give this a 9 because the one we had 2 years ago,
There, yeah.
that was like a 12. But
Let's try fine.
this is good. Okay, you ever outside the country and you run into a pinkish watermelon or
Abacaxi.
abacaxi pineapple? I don't know. I got watermelon on the mind, but yes, it's pink. You ever run into one of these outside the country? Definitely try it. It's very tasty. Your weekend gardener, we are out. Boom.
Bye.
See you on the next one.
Bye, guys.